Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to put the 80cc on this deluxe cruiser. Let's get started. Alright, so look in your bag with all your nuts and bolts and stuff that came with the kit. Go ahead and grab your U-bolt. Go ahead and grab that piece. Your U-bolt. You're going to need two small bolts. All that should be in your little bag that they sent with the kit. 2 nuts. Don't do that. Don't want to lose them. Alright, 2 nuts. Two washers and two can't think of the word now, but you can see it. So that's what you need. All that's in your little bag. Alright, let's go ahead. Trying to make sure y'all can see. Yeah, okay. Go ahead and take this off. This is the front, so it sits on your bike like this. And this would be the back. Right there. Sorry about that. And that's the front. So take this off. You're not gonna need this. Seems like every time I work on something, I'm always dropping it. Dropping the nuts, dropping the bolts, washers. Am I the only one? Or does that happen to y'all too? Alright, so grab your channel locks. All you can do is just take these off. Shouldn't be tight. Alright, so you could just put those in a drawer somewhere, put them in a box, it don't matter. Save them for something else. I'm sure everybody has that random bag full of just nuts and bolts that they've collected over the years. Alright, so if yours looks like this right here, sometimes they come loose, sometimes they don't. So just go ahead and screw that back in right here. Get that screwed back in. That's a step you don't have to worry about later on down the road. Alright. So it's going to sit like this. The 2 wide holes are going to be up top. The ones that are closer together, you can kind of see it. You can barely tell though. Let's see. See how these are closer at the bottom and these are farther apart? These are going to be for the U-bolt, and these are going to be for your 2 bolts that go into the motor. So it sits just like this. Do it this way, it don't matter. don't have to put any washers on this. Your washers and your nuts and stuff go on your U-bolt. I always found it better if you push it over. Push it over this way some, and then tighten it down. Oh, my bad. Yeah, wait. This way. See something. Yeah. This way. Push it this way. My bad. Not all the way. Kind of give it some room. About middle ways is good, I guess. If you need to adjust it, you always move it over some. All right, there you go. And this will go just like this. It's your bike frame. This is go around your bike frame through there, and you tighten it down. And as long as you have this tight and the back of it tight, it's not gonna move on you guys. And just check it like every 3 to 4 rods. Check it out, make sure everything's still tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and get set up for the bike.